Okay, got my blocks all ready to sew into, do the vertical stitching and then do the horizontal. So I've got 32 of these blocks and there's 31 of these. So that's exciting. I can start putting my top together. Okay, we got a little bit cooler air today, so I was able to do a little sewing. So what I have is for the vertical strips done. The ones that start and end with the solid block. So I just have 4 rows of the opposite that will go in between those. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the hardest part will be done. The rest of it is just going to be borders. So that's all I'm going to do today. And it didn't take me that long to do these 5 rows, so it won't take me long to do the 4. Maybe I'll work on a couple of them. We'll see. Okay, I just had 4 rows to do, so I did get those done. So all the vertical sewing is done, and now I'm ready to do the horizontal. So I'm going to start doing that, and then I'll be working on borders. Yay! I don't know if you can tell the colors in that batik fabric, which is, I think it's really awesome. And there's just all kinds of colors in there. And I hope with the light it kind of picks that up. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, I've got the center part of the top sewn together. Can't believe these were all just blocks yesterday. Did all the vertical sewing yesterday and did the horizontal sewing today. So next will be borders. I just start sewing borders on. I am going to have to do more of these little squares here. I did enough. Actually, I've got a few extras. I did enough to do the top and then took a break, put this together. So I'll have to make some more of these, because there is a border of alternating blocks of these. There'll be a border of this cream color first, then a border of this, another cream, and then a big border of this. So hopefully it's going to fit a king-size bed once it's all put together. It will be what it will be, and hopefully they'll like it. I think it's pretty cool.